Welcome to the latest from Force 13 on Tropical Cyclone Trevor. The opening video is from the Royal Australian Air Force, and they were requested by the Northern Territory government through its Emergency Management Australia on Wednesday to lend support to the evacuation of some parts under threat from Trevor. The latest from the Northern Territory Tropical Cyclone Warnings Centre shows that the Trevor has intensified to Category 3, Category 2 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale in the central Gulf of Carpentaria. A severe impact on the southwestern Gulf of Carpentaria coast is likely over the weekend, and the warning zone continues to increase as Cape Shield in the Northern Territory, inland parts of the eastern Carpentaria districts to Koombra in Queensland, inland parts of the northwest Gulf country including Groote Eylandt, Mornington Island, Burraloona, Robinson River, Wollongong, MacArthur River, Cape Crawford, Cresswell Downs and Doomadgee. The watch zone is inland parts of the northwest Gulf of Carpentaria in Queensland, eastern Carpentaria and the northern Barkly districts in the Northern Territory including Brunette Downs. Tropical Cyclone Trevor, Category 3, sustained winds near the centre of 130 kilometres an hour with wind gusts to 185 kilometres per hour, located within 30 kilometres of 14.3 degrees south, 139.6 degrees east, estimated to be 230 kilometres west-northwest of Port Pirie and 350 kilometres east of Alangula, tracking west-southwest at 15 knots. And as mentioned, the cyclone is located over water, central Gulf of Carpentaria. Tropical Cyclone Trevor will intensify further and should continue its southwest movement across the Gulf of Carpentaria during today, and is likely to cross the Northern Territory coast during Saturday as a Category 4 severe tropical cyclone. Very destructive cause severe tropical cyclone Trevor is forecast to cross the southwestern coast of the Gulf of Carpentaria between Groote Eylandt, Northern Territory, Queensland border during Saturday with very destructive winds with gusts to 275 kilometres an hour near the cyclone centre as it approaches the coast and crossing. Coastal residents between Groote Eylandt, Northern Territory, Queensland border are warned of a very dangerous storm tide as the cyclone centre approaches the coast. Tides will rise significantly above the normal high tide with damaging waves, very dangerous flooding during Friday evening and Saturday. As the cyclone approaches the coast, storm tide is also expected between the Northern Territory Queensland border and Burketown. Large waves may produce minor flooding along the foreshore. People living in areas likely to be affected by the flooding should take measures to protect their property. Upper level divergence is very strong, 40 knots. The latest wind shear 24-hour shear tendency, and Trevor is in a low wind shear environment. 850 millibar vorticity. The vorticity is looking very healthy for Trevor, considering that it is going to intensify further. In this update, the following information is what the AU channel uses, and it's the precipitation outlook from 7 AM Friday through to Saturday evening. The information is at the bottom of the screen. Each of these images are 3 hourly, and you can see Savannah and Trevor. The rainfall is going to be significant. This is the instability outlook. The brighter the purple, the pink, the stronger the instability level is. And it looks like the entire east coast of Australia is likely to see thunderstorm activity. And this includes the 2 tropical cyclones. The Bureau of Meteorology's total forecast of rain. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen. This information is updated every 24 hours, and it's the area blue through to the red. It is being reported unofficially that Alice Springs up there in the Northern Territory could see up to a year's rainfall in 3 days. That's yet to be confirmed, but looking at the rainfall scale, and for me down here in Brisbane on the east coast of Australia, I could see some nice rainfall. And this is also a major item. It's the GFS wind probability model available on the BSCH website, and the wind speed values are at the bottom left hand side of the screen. We will continue to bring the latest information on the tropical scene, and the AU channel will also continue to bring the latest. We will have more within the next 6 hours.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.